Students, in this video I am doing your sum number 8 from the exercise 17 of understanding shapes. So the sum reads that PQRS is a parallelogram whose diagonals intersect at M. So I have made a parallelogram PQRS and its diagonals intersect at M. We are given some angles. So if PMS is 54, so let's try to understand PMS is 54. This angle is 54. And the second information given, QSR is 25. QSR is 25. This angle is 25. Third angle given to me is SQR. SQR is 30. And I have to find angle RPS, angle PRS and PSR. So let's put a question mark to all that I have to find. RPS, I have to find this question mark over here. I have to find PRS, which is this PRS, and I have to find PSR, which is this full triangle. PSR is this full angle. So let's start. Now in a parallelogram, the main property that will help you is the interior alternate angles, because both the sides are parallel. Both the opposite sides are parallel. So the interior alternate angles really help you to find many angles in a parallelogram. So let's try to locate the figure Z and we get all our interior alternate angles. So wherever there's a number, now we have a 25 over here. So first we locate the interior alternate angle with this number. So if I try to locate the Z like this, so if you see there is a Z formation. So both these angles become interior alternate angles and this angle becomes 25 degrees. Another number I have is this 30. So I'll try to locate, now these two lines are parallel and I'll try to locate a Z so that I get the interior alternate angle over there. So we will locate the Z. The Z is in this format. So this angle over here also becomes 30 degrees because of interior alternate angles. Now I was just supposed to find RPS. So let's try to locate RPS is this angle. Now if you see in the triangle PMS, we have already found two angles, 54 and 30, and 30 plus 54 plus RPS will give me 180 because they are angles of a triangle. So I can find the measure of this angle. So I have written down the steps for you all. First I have written angle QSR, means this angle is equal to angle SQP, 25 degrees interior alternate angles. And similarly I had SQR was given to me. So I had SQR given to me as 30, which is equal to PSQ, which is 30. Again, interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles located with the alphabet Z. Now first angle to be found was this, which is RPS. So I can go in the triangle PMS and I have two angles with me, 30 and 54. So 30, 54 plus SPM is equal to 180 angles of a triangle. And I get the value of SPM is as 96, which is the same as RPS. So first angle has been found. Now the next angle that has to be found is PRS. Now in PRS, we can look at this triangle SMR. I can find the measure of this angle because these both angles add up to 180 as it's a linear pair. So angle SMR will be equal to 180 minus 54 degrees because of linear pair. So therefore angle SMR is equal to 126 degrees. So I got the linear pair angle 126 degrees. Now to find this angle, I can look at this triangle SMR. I have 25, I have 126. Then I can find the third angle with the angle sum property because they are all angles of a triangle. So you have to always mention the triangle you're looking at. In triangle SMR, you have 25 plus 126 plus angle SRM is equal to 180 degrees. You can just write angle sum property. Therefore, angle SRM is equal to 180 minus 126 plus 25, which gives you 29 degrees. So I have found my two angles. I got my RPS. RPS I have found as 96, and my second triangle was PRS, which I found as 29, and the third angle I am supposed to find is PSR, which I have already found. I have found this as 30, so PSR will become 30 plus 25, which is 55. So I can just write it over here. Angle PSR will be equal to 30 plus 25, which is 55 degrees. So I have found the measures of all the three angles. Thank you.